SumUp versus Square UK. Which platform is actually better? In this video, we'll compare SumUp and Square UK, two popular platforms for small businesses looking to streamline payments. SumUp offers straightforward, low-fee card readers with no monthly cost, making it ideal for businesses that prefer a pay-as-you-go model. Additionally, some apps card readers are compact and offer a robust battery life, which is great for mobile businesses that operate on the go. However, the platform's features are relatively basic, focusing primarily on payment processing. Square UK, on the other hand, includes a wider range of business tools such as point of sale software, invoicing, and inventory management, all within its ecosystem. Square's high fees are offset by these additional features, which make it attractive to businesses with more extensive needs, including analytics and staff management. Additionally, Square offers a versatile range of hardware, from simple card readers to full POS systems. Ultimately, the choice between SumUp and Square UK depends on your business size and needs. If you're looking for low-cost simplicity, SumUp could be the better option. However, if you need a feature-rich platform to support broader business operations, Square UK may offer better long-term value.